Mossburn Country Park, and we're filling up the water. This is one of the nicer places I think I've stayed, only because you have your sort of privacy, a lot of space. These are some cabins over there. Over there, that's the toilets and the laundry, and there's a little kitchen area. Here is a power station where you can plug your phones in, and it's got magazines in that room. A little lounge area. You can also, people sit there and they charge in the kitchen their devices. There's some llamas over there, some peacocks over there with that family, a little kids playing area. It was $32 to stay here. And we're about to go to Queenstown. We have a lunch reservation at Skyline restaurant. It is a beautiful, I think, revolving restaurant in Queenstown. I'm not sure. I know that there is beautiful views there, and then you have to ride the gondola up. After that, we don't really have any plans, so we're planning to maybe freedom camp tonight. We've stayed 2 nights at a paid parking powered place, so we'll see if we can find something close to Queenstown.
We are in Queenstown now. We just arrived, just taking some pictures here around with this beautiful creek with the lovely SJ.
And we got free parking at the campervan parking that our campermate recommended because it's a public holiday. So that was fantastic.
It's Anzac Day here in New Zealand. Is it Anzac Day in Australia also?
Lest we forget.
Yes. And while we're here, we have this rugby pitch here, and 2 people actually came in and landed on paragliders, like right here in the middle of the field. There was a 3rd one, but they've since disappeared. Not sure where they went.
This is the Skyline gondola, and it looks like you can go bike riding up there. Take your bikes up, and come down riding your bike. It's very extreme. You have to wear helmets. We're about to go out for some lunch. Hope it's not too scary.
Hitting some twigs. Get so close to the ground when it's swinging up.
Queenstown.
You're at the viewing deck.
Would you like an overview?
What do you want? Oh, is this just food tea, right?
Yeah. We'll just quickly, so we're going this way anyway. So,
Yep.
Soup, vegetarian, salad bar, sauce there. We grilled some different meats. Sushi, right? Different food, some jackfruit. Over meat, cheese.
I don't know if you can see the view that we are seeing as we're eating. Originally, we were just sitting here. We didn't pay for the premium price, so they sat us over there. Even though there was still window seats, but they did sit us over there. We asked to be moved over here once someone left because it's sort of emptying out and no one's here, so we thought, we'll ask, and they said yes, so we moved over here so we at least get some views as we eat our dessert. But yeah, the food here wasn't that great, I don't think. Yeah.
Some of it was alright.
It was alright, but I don't know if it was worth $75 per person.
Definitely wasn't.
Especially if you're not sitting at the window seat. You had to pay extra $20 if you want to sit at the window seat. So if you're going to pay, I think you should definitely pay for more. Otherwise, you definitely won't be getting a window seat. It's kind of, pointless coming up here.
We are now on our way down from, what is it?
Skyline
Queenstown? Okay, it was alright.
It wasn't that great. I didn't really like it. There was not that much variety considering we're paying so much money.
This
Ooh.
just takes off.
Look at the view behind you. I think if you just want to come up here, you can come up here and there's an observation area.
Yeah.
You can go on the luge. They're just starting to finish there.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping's there. Not a lot of, no one there at the moment, I think.
Looks like they have 2 spots you can jump from, that one and then there's a smaller one. I don't know if I'd really trust the smaller one though, the hill's so much closer. So this is where we parked in Queenstown. I believe it's Bowen Street. And
on Campermate it tells you to park here.
on Campermate it's under things to do, not under parking.
Well, actually on my thing it comes as parking.
Oh, and yours was on parking?
On the GPS it comes as things to do.
Okay.
But there's huge campervan.
It's huge campervan parking. Today it's free because it's a public holiday.
Which we're lucky.
Which we're very lucky on that. But we're not sure how much it is during the week. I'll probably end up parking here tomorrow, so we'll be able to get caught up on that. Yeah. So many people here.
It's okay, so I'm just going to our parking lot was empty, which was pretty surprising.
The thing that's surprising about this place is, I guess it's like so expensive to live here and stuff, but I don't really see like any major businesses here or anything for like...
There's no business, maybe that's probably outside of the town.
Yeah.
A lot of here would be for tourists, tourism.
Yeah. More like you buy a house here then and just rent it out on like Airbnb or something. Because we were looking at Airbnb here, like everything was already sold out and it was outside the city and it was all at least $100 a night.
Was it?
Here's SJ driving to our campground for tonight. This is where we're staying tonight. This is Lake Wakatipu. This is the southeastern end, a place called Drift Bay. Just north of here, about 30 to 45 minutes, is Queenstown. For a lake, I must say, it's pretty rough. At the same time though, we have a pretty strong wind gusting from the north. But yeah. We're right here on the side of the lake. Perfect spot. Go for it.
We decided to take it into the dinner tonight. This is sort of the first time we've used this grill without the grill pan. It's working right in the light. You can get out there's a light right in front of the grill, which is very handy. We've got a little table that connects to the side of the door.
And then just around the corner, we have the water.
I think the steak's done.
The steak's done?
Yeah, it's all burning. Okay. This one's that one.
Top one, yeah. So did we want to keep it on for the egg?
Huh? No, we're going to put the egg in there.
Oh, you're cooking the egg.
Yeah.
Wait, you cook it in the water?
So in the instant noodles, we're going to put some Korean chili noodles, ramen, with some lettuce. We've got some lettuce. An egg. We're going to put an egg in there. That makes it less chili. And TJ loves this in his noodles.
Mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese. So
Mozzarella or cheddar.
basically we're just trying to use things up before the end of our trip. So this is all the leftover food we had. The cheese was from the pasta. Eggs we're using for breakfast.
You want to lift that for a second?
I've got the broth cooking inside, got the powder in there, so hopefully that will heat up soon. The steak's done and ready to be eaten. So
Okay.